What's up, guys? It's Cloud Surfers and we back with Katie in another video. Woo, yeah! See my man Jordy over there already in the gang with the swank. Check out the new merch, guys. Don't forget to check it out. It's gonna be lit, guys. Let's go. Katie, can I get the gimbal? We're gonna gimbal it up. What's up, Jordy? Think good? Yeah, toch. Hey. Let's go. I just came from Rahul. Rahul got a new job. Sabi to? My man flexing with the new job. Alright. You're the boss. You're the boss. Guys, catch your vibe. Hey, we're going to the park. Because the sun is not forever. And I need to put my seat belt, guys. Safety first, huh? You know. Let me try to flex this. Ooh. I did flex it. Yeah. Alright, guys, catch a vibe. Rotterdam. What's this area called again, Jordy? Spendrecht, guys. You know? And guys, today we got a special surprise coming for you. You wanna know what that is? We're gonna make some Surinamese food. Yeah. Cloud Surfers. Oh yeah, Mr. Vic. Featuring Jordy. And you guys better check out his channel. Gaming on point. We're gonna announce the name of the channel in the next video, or not, Katie? Katie, look, Katie's super busy, guys. Always super busy. Hey, Katie just switched up the whole drone today, guys. She actually fixed it by herself. Yeah, I was stunned. You know, like I
she's
never.
The main engineer now.
Yeah, she's the main engineer now. Fixing the drones, busy in the office in the back. You know, Casey be busy. But yeah, guys, so we're actually gonna make a very popular Surinamese dish, and yeah, are you ready for what it is? 3, drum roll, bruine bonen. You know what that is? Brown beans with rice, and we're gonna make it with some chicken. But hey, look.
Some smoked sausage.
And some smoked sausage, guys. Hey, look, man, this is no joke. This ain't no game. This is the real deal, alright? So look, without further ado, we're gonna catch a vibe for a second. We're gonna let you guys catch a vibe of the area we are in right now. And then after that, we're gonna go into the cooking video. We're gonna see that in the next video, guys. Alright, so catch a vibe. Alright. Yeah. We out here, guys. We out here, alright? So we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.